Weihai Lianqiao New Material Science and Technology Company, Limited, established in January 2005, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production and sales of modified polymer, which is held by Shandong Lianqiao Group. Focusing on the market, advancing with the times. Accompanied by the rapid development of the medical industry, Lianqiao New Material is driven by innovation as the core. It continues to broaden the scale of the industry, plowing into the field of medical materials, to provide the market with a full set of product and service solutions from medical raw materials to medical finished products. The main products cover high-end packaging materials for medical use, peritoneal dialysis film, blood bag film, transparent film and disposable drainage bags, disposable suction connecting tubes and other Class II medical devices, etc., which are exported to more than 40 countries and regions including Japan, Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and so on. The company has more than 70 intellectual property rights, including 35 invention patents. Lianqiao New Material pays close attention to material safety and other key indicators to ensure that the whole line of products can continue to adapt to the complex and changing medical environment. Among them, medical polypropylene granules are the first products in China to pass the biocompatibility safety test of the China Academy of Food and Drug Administration. The self-developed medical-grade PVC film material breaks the international monopoly, achieves import substitution, and enhances the localization process of film manufacturing. In the future, we will work together to develop more competitive products, gather momentum for win-win cooperation, and promote the high-quality development of China's pharmaceutical industry.